Ever wanted to make sure your friend sees that hilarious meme you just posted? Or perhaps you're collaborating on a project and need to loop in a specific page? Then mastering the art of tagging on Facebook is your secret weapon. Tagging on Facebook is a powerful way to mention friends, family, or even pages directly in your posts, photos, or comments. It's like sending a personalized notification, ensuring your message gets seen by the right people and drawing their attention straight to your update. Let's break down how to do it. It's incredibly simple. When you're creating a post, start by typing the @ immediately. Facebook will start suggesting profiles and pages that you have interacted with or that are commonly associated with your account. Begin typing the name of the person or page you want to tag. As you type, the list will narrow down. Simply click on the correct name from the suggestions that appear. You'll notice the name then turns into a clickable link within your post. This tagging feature isn't just for new posts. You can also tag people in comments just like with a post. Type the @ followed by their name and select them from the suggestions. This is perfect for continuing a conversation or directing a comment to a specific individual. So, why tag? Tagging significantly increases the visibility of your content. When you tag someone, they receive a notification, making them much more likely to see and interact with your post. This boosted engagement is fantastic for building connections and ensuring your updates resonate with your audience. Whether you're sharing a personal update, promoting your business page, or simply wanting to share something funny with a friend, tagging is a crucial tool for boosting interaction and linking people to relevant content on Facebook. Start tagging today and watch your engagement soar.